Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open our settings application on our Android phone. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the connection setting. Okay, on this connection setting, go to more connection setting. Alright, and click on private DNS. And here we have three options. We can choose off, automatic, and private DNS provider host name. And I recommend you to choose this one, private DNS provider host name, to block ads on your Android phone. Click on it, then make sure that you input this one, dns.adguard.com. And after that, you can click on save to save this setting. Okay, and after that, all the ads on your Android phone will be blocked. And I hope this trick will work on your phone. And I guess that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.